Looking at a certified 2017 Honda Accord LX. It's got 2,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. It's crystal black in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle. We'll start here on the driver's side. Got the chrome trim around the windows, chrome door handles. Passenger side's in good. Driver's side's in good shape. It is equipped with rear backup camera. Make our way down the passenger side. Same thing over here. Nice trim around the windows, chrome door handles. Certified 2017. Only 2,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, one owner. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Got the beige or tan door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. All right. Does have the beige cloth seating. Driver's seat's in good shape. Passenger seat looks good. Got the middle console here, got your power outlet there, and a little place to put your change. It does come with a keyless entry. Okay, it is an automatic. Dual climate controls here. AM/FM CD player. Alright, it's got your display screen right there with the backup camera. We'll show you that in just a second. Steering wheel audio controls. And you got Bluetooth. Then you got your Econ button right here. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 2,582 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, I'm going to go ahead and show you your radio display. Alright, and you can change the display on this. You've got current drive, trip history, clock wallpaper, and audio. I'll go ahead and put it on audio. Alright, we'll go ahead and engage the backup camera. It's got your guidelines on there as well. Another shot of the radio. Then your dual climate controls right here. AC's blowing nice and cold, no problems there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Right, door panels back here look good. Carpet's nice and clean. Back seat cloth looks good. It's got the center armrest, the cup holders there. All right. Go ahead and give you a driver's eye view, the dash and the layout. All right, this certified Accord is in great shape. Only 2,000 miles on it. All right, carpet back here looks good. Got the spare tire back here as well. The exterior of this vehicle is in awesome shape. Take a look at the wheels and tires, 16-inch alloys. The nice black trim on them there. Tires are good, plenty of tread left on them. All right, once again, it's a certified 2017 Honda Accord LX, clean Carfax, one owner, only 2,500 miles on it. This thing's in great shape, inside and outside, getting a new car for the used car price. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.